All right, folks, got another treat for you. Ruko, that's how I'm going to pronounce it. Ruko. This is a Ruko Power Station 299. Let me see if there's any information on the side I can read you. Yes, let me read the side here. Maybe you can see it too. So type R299. Battery capacity 22.2 volts, 13 amp hours, 288.6 watt hours. AC output pure sine wave, 110 volts, 60 hertz, 330 watts. DC output times 2, 12 volts, 5 amps each. Cigarette lighter output, 12 volts, 10 amps. USB-A output, 3 of them, 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2 amps, 12 volts, 1.5 amps, 18 watt maximum. USB-C output, 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts, 15 volts, 20 volts, 3 amps, 60 watts maximum. Wireless charger, 10 watts. Operating temps, charging temps, blah, blah, blah. Let's get into it. Usual foam packaging. All right, you can see the diamond in the rough already. What we got? We got a user manual, right? That's normal. At the side, we got a box, which is the cables, which we'll look at. We have the actual device, which has a handle. You see me picking up, and the wireless charging underneath it, and nothing else in the box. Push that aside. Here we go. User manual. Nobody wants to see that, right? We already read the specs. Let's see what's in the box. We already kind of know what's going to be in the box, too. We want to get to the device, right? But let's do it anyway. Slide it out. Car charger. Cable for, and AC adapter. Nothing else in the box. That's simple enough. That's exactly what we expected. Let's get to the meat and potatoes. This is a Ruko, R-U-K-O, I guess it's pronounced. Nice branding on top here. You see the wireless charger. This side, you've got AC output and a vent. Flip to the other side, just a vent. Flip to the back. This will be the flashlight. Flip to the bottom. Nothing but 2 long rubber feet and the manufacturer's information. Flip to the meat and potatoes. DC has no cap on it. I don't right off the bat, I don't really like that. These things I like to be covered, especially DC out, right? Potentially, you got kids around, whatever, I can touch both there. There's your DC outs, the 12 volts, 5 amps. There is power in. There's your adapter, power adapter in. Solar, I guess it says PV 12 to 26 volt input. USB-C, 1, 3 USB-A, on-off button, AC on-off button, on-off display and power switch. So does it have the plastic on it? Feels like it. Yes, it does. Let's get that off of there so it won't shine so much. I almost got it. You got to be quicker than that. There we go. So there's our screen. Let's turn it on. See if it comes. Yep, well, right away. Got a charge. You might not be able to see it that well. I can tell you it has 43%, and it shows the DC and USB out, which says 0. This is the AC on off. I turned that on. The AC out display came on here. You might not be able to see that. Let me see what angle I can give you. Probably very hard for you to see that. Maybe that helps. But that turns on the AC out. There's no independent switch for USB. So that's automatically on with the power switch, I guess. Because, let me see. Yes. On and off, USB and DC. These two automatically come on. You know, some power stations, you could turn them off individually. Not this. And this is going to be the flashlight. So as you can see it shine on the table. I don't want to blind your eyes. But there you go. It's pretty light. Let me see if I can drop a phone on there for you to see the wireless charging. Let's see. There you go. Wireless charging works. So, Ruko R299 power station. You can read the full review via the link in the description below.